Dumpster rental Berea, Kentucky. Do you need a hassle-free way to dispose of waste? Big Blue Dumpster Company LLC is your trusted source for affordable dumpster rental in Berea, Kentucky. We provide a wide range of dumpster sizes to fit your project, whether you're cleaning out your home or managing a construction site. Our easy-to-use booking system ensures fast delivery and pickup, so your job stays on schedule without any hassle. At Big Blue Dumpster Company LLC, we understand that every project is unique and has specific waste management needs. That's why we offer flexible rental periods, giving you the time you need without the pressure of rushing. Our transparent pricing means no surprises, with everything laid out up front. You'll get a high-quality service that fits your budget, helping you stay on track and within your project goals. We're dedicated to keeping your site clean, organized, and safe with reliable dumpster services. Our team manages the logistics so you can focus on what matters most, completing the job and maintaining an efficient work site. Do you need help deciding which dumpster size is best for your project? Our friendly experts are here to guide you through every step of the process. Ready to book your dumpster rental? Call Big Blue Dumpster Company LLC at 859-544-4795. Let us manage the mess so you can keep your project moving forward.